Affiliate marketing is a popular and effective online marketing strategy that allows businesses, merchants, to partner with individuals or other businesses, affiliates, to promote their products or services. In this arrangement, affiliates earn commissions or rewards for driving traffic to the merchant's website and generating sales or desired actions. Affiliate marketing serves as a win-win model where both the merchant and the affiliate benefit from increased sales and revenue. Introduction to affiliate marketing. Origins of affiliate marketing. The concept of affiliate marketing dates back to the late 1980s and early 1990s when the internet began to gain popularity. Companies like Amazon pioneered the affiliate marketing model by offering commissions to websites that referred customers to their online store. Affiliate marketing structure. Affiliate marketing operates on a performance-based model, where affiliates are rewarded for their promotional efforts based on the sales, leads, or actions they drive to the merchant's website. 2. Key players in affiliate marketing. Merchant, advertiser. The merchant is the business or company that sells products or services and wishes to expand its online reach through affiliate partnerships. Affiliate, publisher. Affiliates are individuals or businesses that promote the merchant's products or services on their websites, blogs, social media platforms, or other online channels. Affiliate network, optional. An affiliate network acts as an intermediary between merchants and affiliates. It facilitates the tracking of affiliate sales, manages payments, and provides reporting and analytics. Customer, end user. The customer is the individual who clicks on an affiliate's promotional link and completes a purchase or desired action on the merchant's website. 3. Affiliate marketing models. Pay per sale, PPS. The most common affiliate marketing model is pay per sale, where affiliates earn a commission for every sale they refer to the merchant. Pay per lead, PPL. In the pay per lead model, affiliates are rewarded for generating qualified leads for the merchant. These leads typically involve users providing contact information or completing specific actions on the merchant's website. Pay per click, PPC. In the pay per click model, affiliates earn a commission for every click on their affiliate links, regardless of whether the click leads to a sale or not. 4. Affiliate marketing process. Affiliate sign up. Affiliates join the merchant's affiliate program by signing up through the merchant's website or an affiliate network. Promotional material. Once approved, affiliates receive unique affiliate links, banners, and other promotional material to place on their websites or social media platforms. Promotion and traffic generation. Affiliates promote the merchant's products or services through various marketing channels, such as blog posts, social media posts, email marketing, and paid advertising. User clicks. When a user clicks on an affiliate's unique tracking link, a cookie is placed on their browser to track their activity on the merchant's website. Conversion tracking. If the user completes a purchase or desired action on the merchant's website within the cookie duration, typically 30 to 90 days, the affiliate is credited for the referral. Commission calculation. The affiliate earns a commission based on the agreed upon commission structure, for example, percentage of sale value or fixed amount per lead. Payment to affiliates. Affiliates receive their commissions either directly from the merchant or through the affiliate network, depending on the arrangement. Benefits of affiliate marketing. Cost-effective marketing. Merchants only pay affiliates when they successfully drive desired actions, making affiliate marketing a cost-effective advertising method. Increased online reach. Affiliate marketing allows merchants to reach a broader audience through the affiliate's existing online presence and networks. Performance-based results. Since affiliates are compensated based on their performance, they have a vested interest in promoting the merchant's products effectively. Diversified marketing efforts. Affiliate marketing complements other marketing strategies and expands the merchant's online presence across various channels. Brand advocacy. Affiliates act as brand advocates, sharing positive reviews and endorsements with their audience. 5. Challenges and considerations. Affiliate fraud. Some affiliates may engage in fraudulent activities, such as cookie stuffing or spamming, to claim undeserved commissions. Regulatory compliance. Affiliate marketers must adhere to various regulations, such as disclosure requirements, to maintain transparency and comply with advertising laws. Competition and saturation. Popular niches can be highly competitive, leading to saturated affiliate markets. Maintaining relationships. Merchants must cultivate and maintain positive relationships with affiliates to ensure long-term partnerships. Attribution and cookie duration. Determining the appropriate attribution model and cookie duration is crucial to fairly reward affiliates for their efforts. 7. Evolving trends in affiliate marketing. Influencer marketing. Influencers with a substantial following often act as affiliates, promoting products and services to their audience. Affiliate marketing in e-commerce. E-commerce businesses heavily rely on affiliate marketing to drive sales and revenue. Cross-device tracking. Advancements in tracking technology enable cross-device attribution, ensuring affiliates receive credit for multi-device conversions. Data-driven strategies. Affiliate marketers are leveraging data analytics to optimize campaigns and improve ROI. Subscription-based affiliate programs. Merchants are adopting subscription-based models, offering recurring commissions to affiliates for referred customers. 8. Conclusion. Affiliate marketing is a powerful and dynamic marketing strategy that enables merchants to leverage the influence and reach of affiliates to drive sales and grow their business. By building mutually beneficial partnerships, affiliates and merchants can collaborate to create a robust online ecosystem where everyone benefits. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, affiliate marketing is likely to remain a vital component of online marketing strategies, fostering innovation and driving revenue for businesses of all sizes. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.